Hey guys, it's Crystal. Today's video I wanted to share these mason jar farmhouse decor that I decided to make. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you what I did. There's like so many, 1,000 tutorials on how to do this. This is just how I did mine, and if you want to see how I made these mason jar home decor, please keep watching. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to see more videos like this, hit that bell notification. And if you haven't gotten any notifications for my channel, unsubscribe and subscribe again, and then hit the bell notification. I know a lot of YouTubers are having trouble with their subscribers not seeing their videos. So yeah, if you're not seeing my video and you want to make sure that you do, unsubscribe, subscribe again, hit the bell notification. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. So I basically took my Rust-Oleum chalk paint and got 2 mason jars from the dollar store. My daughter is helping me with this project, and we did 2 coats of the chalk paint all over the mason jars. We did take off the stickers that were on the bottom, and if you need help with that, you can always use Dawn dish soap and water, and then also use alcohol or even acetone and a cotton round to take the stickers off. After we painted 2 coats, I did go back and just go with a 220 sand grit paper and kind of remove some of the paint to make it look more rustic. Now I just took 2 of my flat boards and I stained them first with a Minwax dark walnut stain. I've used it in many of my tutorials. And then I just took some of the hardware that I removed off of another project and attached them to these boards. So right here you can see I'm just measuring where I'm going to screw them into the board. Once the hardware is attached, I am flipping it over and I am going to measure out where I want to screw in my hook and see more or less where I want the mason jars to hang. Once I place them where I want them to be hung, I simply take a pencil and mark where I'm going to screw in the hook. I did not pre-drill. Now to decorate, I'm taking this burlap ribbon I got from the dollar store and I am just hot gluing it around the top of the jars. To make this little bow, I basically just cut the ribbon in half and tied a bow, and now I'm just simply attaching it to the jar. Now it's time to make the handles for the jar. Again, I'm just taking the same ribbon and cutting it in half and then just simply hot glue gunning it on the sides. And then just so that I know that it's not going to fall off with just the glue gun, I decided to use E6000 also, so that way I can make sure that it does not fall off. Because with this decor, I did plan on putting plants inside of the jars, as you can see here. I do have a real one on the left side and a fake one on the right side. And that's it for my little mason jar home decor tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up so I can make more videos like this. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification so you are notified when my next video will be uploaded. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Stay safe, wash your hands, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.